Glory be to God in the highest. Messages from the heavenly throne of God, delivered by our Father, Apostle Paul Okikijesu, on January 3rd, 2024. It should be noted that we intentionally delay these messages. However, the recipients have received their messages. Messages concerning Nigeria. Pray against flood or water waves. Thus says the Lord of hosts, people should pray against flood in the following states and cities of Nigeria: Port Harcourt, Abeokuta, Ogun State, Osun State, Cross River State, Onitsha, J4 Ore, because there's a river around this location, so that its flooding will not cause havoc. Benue and Niger states. These two states need fervent prayers so that flooding will not result in harm or loss of lives. Pray for people with properties near the sea. Thus says the Lord, people who have sea view properties, ocean view real estates, and lake or harbor view buildings should be supported with serious prayers. People should pray for those who build their properties on or near the river or sea with fervent prayers, so that water waves will not swallow and sweep away their properties. Please always check back at our YouTube channel for more prophecies.